welcome to day 14. It's not the evening of day 14, it's the evening of day 13. I can't really put this in the video because the video is technically gone live. It's posted already out to VIPs because it was already 20 minutes long. However, I've just watched the end of Doctor Who. If you guys haven't watched it, do me a favour. If you haven't watched Doctor Who in weeks or something, because, you know, the Mrs. Flood side of things, all is being revealed in that episode. Well, kind of. At the same time, I'm also sat here going, what? Anyway, let's time warp to tomorrow. Well, we've definitely warped to Sunday afternoon. I just have only just woken up, in all honesty. I spent a little bit of time just relaxing to myself. Dogs are having their breakfast. And I'm just getting myself ready for the day. I'm not entirely sure what's on the plan for today. It's Sunday, which means that it's a relaxed day, which also means that it's a relaxed day for vlogs. But I'm going to see what I can do, try and make this interesting. I'm going to have a look at what's on trending on YouTube to see if there's something that I can do that may be fun or enjoyable to watch. But if there's anything you want to see or you want to have happen in these vlogs, then why not you tell me what's happening, tell me what I can do, and then maybe I can make a story or a vlog regarding that major thing happening, and that could be something that we do. Some of you may have noticed that my PC, that I just haven't been streaming lately because my PC has been having a knack of blue screening. By the way, you can hear Zach in the background just doing some other things. But today I've taken apart a spare PC, literally just removed every single component, and now it's a case of rebuilding a PC that I want to use for myself using components to go into this machine. I've got a case for it. So the whole idea is that what I'll do is I'll then swap over parts into that one. Basically that one will become my spare PC that I'll use as a test bench or something. Even though it's a bit unstable, but at least it runs something. And then I'll move everything onto here and rebuild Windows. I want to kind of do everything from scratch with all different parts. That way that I can restart the whole diagnosis of the whole situation at the same time. Currently, I've got this ASUS Radeon graphics card. The CPU is an AMD Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and we also have this 750 watt power supply, and it currently is working nicely. I've had it boot, but it's just not fully booted. Now I just need to get this installed into that case next to Betsy. Thank you, Betsy, for looking after that. And also do all the cable management and get things going. We also have a terabyte hard drive that's installed and looks like that was working fine. So now, once we've done this, we then need to work on getting ourselves, I need to get the CPU cooler mount, because currently I don't know where those CPU fans are, because they click on with a certain metal thing, because currently it's just not performing the optimum temperatures or going through nicely. But then again, I haven't got it in a case full of fans, which I've also managed to get this from my storage, which are some of these TLC 12Cs fans. So we're going to try and put those in to that case with that PC. But currently, we're not looking too bad. Well, the PC components are now all inside this case, which is absolutely superb. It's a Chill Blast case, which is surprisingly brilliant. The only problem that it has is it's very sticky, so dog hairs go onto it. But this is my cable management for the back of the case, which in all honesty you're not going to see, but it's still neat. And then if we come round to the front of the machine, it looks a beaut, and it's working! Well, the PC is now all installed with my previous RAM. Currently no crashes, which is superb. If it does crash, then I'll take out those RAM and go down, which currently means I've got 96 gigabytes of RAM inside that PC. Everything is all connected, everything's all working and reinstalled. My old PC is sat underneath the desk now. But these two little monkeys, Betsy, yeah, that little monkey and that little monkey, both of them want to go out for a walkie. Walkies? Walkies?
How you doing, Gene? Okay, there's a gate up there with a pedestrian side on the left hand side, and then you've got Gene's side.
It was a good idea at the time.
With that.
But my jeans are now up places and...
Oh, well, Gene's are definitely up certain places. And this is the benefits of going for a dog walk. You have fun. Do not go too close to that edge, because the only way you're going is in the water.
I thought halfway I was only going to go in the water.
Good news is I had to put the dogs back in the car, because there was no way she was getting back up, even though we tried multiple times. So I had to put all the dogs back in the car to then scoot down on my arse to basically make a place for Jean with her walker, to then get her to then go back up to the top of the hill to rescue the car, to move the car, so that way I can then move the dogs to near her, so then we can then walk along this path with Bruno and Betsy. I'm tired. I've lost my energy. Oh look, it's a genie path. Another genie path. I'm just going to call them genie paths. So I then had to come back up that hill because Jeannie has forgotten something. But what I could see, it's not there. So it definitely didn't come out of her pockets. Now he's just going to go back to the car. But Bruno decided to come up this way. And because I'm not going back down the hill again, we'll go this way. And now Bruno's put I can do without this. Bruno, no.
Bruno, I'm now facing the wrong way.
No, you're not going. No.
Are you?
I think it's time to go home.
I'm sorry.
Well, the PC currently is basically nearly all back together. I've got my stream decks now reconfigured. I've got voice meter back on, ready for my streams and everything else. And I've got basically everything all done. It's basically as if I've never really moved my PC or done anything with it. And now it's come to the end of the night for a Sunday. I have no idea how long this vlog is, but hopefully it was more than the default. And well, the good news is Jeannie's back home safe. We did manage to make it back home even after going down that hillside. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys later. Have a good day, look after yourself, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.